Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are a student, so you can get Canva subscription absolutely free as it is. If you are a teacher like a professor, so still you can get the Canva subscription absolutely free. What is the process? How you can do and access Canva premium features? We will see. So first of all, just simply here the basic page is coming, canva.com/education and teachers. So look at this here, education perspective. If you are a teacher like Canva for teachers, like 100% free verified teachers and student, no need to pay single penny and you can get all the features absolutely free. That would be impressive for you. How you can get the verify and all the remaining process, I will show you. First of all, this is your Canva account. First of all, you need to create your own account and afterwards you can log in. Here click the profile pictures, here available plan and prices. If you click here plans and prices, so here basic plan prices related information, but one of the tab is here education. You can click here and look at this here, teachers, student, absolutely free. Eligible criteria is here. How you can verify if you are teacher and student, you just simply click here. 100 million plus copyright images, videos, audios, all are the free. You have all right to access all the features in Canva. Get verification, if you just simply click here, get verification. Afterwards, eligible criteria is coming here. You can add here your country, so which country. Afterwards, here you can provide your school institution pin code, a location address, school address, and add here your institution name. So this is the institution name. Continue. So this profile is very important. Afterwards, which types of document you want upload here, you need to upload here the documents like salary slip if you are professor, appointment letter, letter of appointment, appreciation certificate, affiliated certificate, teacher training degree, or identity card or experience letter. We are uploading here identity card. I have identity card, so I just simply select here my identity card and afterwards say continue. My full name, same name you should add here depend upon your ID card. And look at this here, we are reviewing your information, but you can get start with the Canva 24 hours. They need to verify, but still you can access all the features absolutely free. Classwork, if you enter here, like suppose for example presentation, you can click here presentation Canva, and here all the features is unlocked automatically. You can access these features as well without any restriction because of they are reviewing. And afterwards, this feature is your ID card or you are a teacher is not verified successfully, but still you can access premium features as well without any restriction using this process. After once they verify your account, afterwards you are eligible to access 100% free of cost the entire premium version using this process. But it's mandatory you are a student or teacher, you can do the same process, provide the information, institution name, address, and then provide identity card. Afterwards, within 2-3 hours, they verify this account and you can access the features absolutely free using this process. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.